Assalamu alaikum. This video is to show students to access their link on Class365. So you go to Class365, you enter your username and password, and then you log in. Then you go to at the top here where it says Muhammadi Madrasa. You go here to the right to modules, and then you go to learning management system, and then your child's classes will appear here. You click on the link here, and then over here there's tabs here: discussion, assessment, quiz, resources, live lecture. You click on live lectures and the link will be here, and then you click join. Make sure you click on the current week's link here, the first one at the top, because you'll have weekly links displayed here, inshallah. Asant.